In 3, 2, 1. Walking down 29th and Park, saw you in another's arms. Only a month we've been apart. You look happier. Saw you walk inside a bar. You said something to make you laugh. Saw that both your smiles were twice as wide as ours. Yeah, you look happier, you do. And ain't nobody hurt you like I hurt you. And ain't nobody love you like I do. Promise that I will not take it personal, baby, if you're moving on with someone new. 'Cause baby, you look happier, you do. My friends told me one day I'll feel it too. And until then I'll smile to hide the truth. But I know I was happier with you. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Sat in the corner of the room. Everything's reminding me of you. Nursing an empty bottle and telling myself you're happier, aren't you? Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Ain't nobody hurt you like I hurt you. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Ain't nobody need you like I do. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. I know that there's others that deserve you. Hey ya, hey ya. But my darling, I am still in love with you. But I guess you look happier, you do. My friends told me one day I feel it too. I could try to smile to hide the truth, but I know I was happier with you. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. 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 And baby, you look happier, you do. I knew one day you'd fall for someone new. But if he breaks your heart like lovers do, just know that I'll be waiting here for you. We did it. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on the YouTubes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, joining, and leaving a comment. Also, if you have recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. Over 70% of people that watch these videos aren't subscribed. So if you're one of those 70 that watch these videos continuously and come back to my channel and haven't hit that red subscribe button, what are you doing? Hit it. Join the Uke fam. It's a great place over here. Come on, come join. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke you're playing? I'll tell you. It is a tenor size Kumu ukulele. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at the wood. Look at the details. It's also thin body. If you do want to shop the Kumu ukuleles or the Leilani ukuleles, you can shop at www.leilaniukulele.com. I'll also leave a link in the description below where you can just click and it'll take you straight to the website. They have amazing ukes, Hawaiian wood, absolutely amazing. I mean, look at this. I have a Leilani. Also, I do have my signature uke in that series, the Leilani series as well. Links for everything will be down below. If you want to save some money at checkout at www.leilaniukulele.com, you can use code Ricky10 at checkout and it'll save you $10 off your entire purchase. So that is their gift to you. Thank you so much to the team over at Leilani Kumu for one, making such beautiful ukes, but also for giving all of you the promo code, the code to save $10. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Also, links to all of my socials will be down below. It's just going to all be at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me on your most used socials. Right now, my most used is Instagram and YouTube, obviously. I also do have Patreon and TikTok and Twitter. So make sure to add me on all of your socials if you want. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from, and let's talk, let's chat, let's get to know each other. Thank you so much for watching. Also, let me know what you think about Ed Sheeran. He is absolutely amazing. He's literally one of my musical inspirations. Ed, let me know in the comments below what you think about him. I absolutely love him. He's my boy. I love him. I'm waiting for his new music. I think it's coming out soon, so cross your fingers that it's gonna be quick. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Goodbye. All right. Bye.